Today we talk about how can you find your downloads on your NovelToon app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on library down here, just click on it. Then you come to next zip here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next here, then all you have to do, you just go here, you go above downloads, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find all downloads you have here. Like you see here, I have nothing in my NovelTown app here, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your NovelTown app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.